Hello, everyone. Mastering everyday phrases is key to sounding natural and confident in English. These 50 essential expressions will help you communicate smoothly in various situations, from greetings to making plans. Let's dive in and improve your fluency.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey, how's it going?
What have you been up to?
What have you been up to?
It's nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you again.
I was just thinking about you.
I was just thinking about you.
How's everything on your end?
How's everything on your end?
What are you up to this weekend?
What are you up to this weekend?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Do you have any plans for tonight?
Let's catch up soon.
Let's catch up soon.
I'm free whenever you are.
I'm free whenever you are.
That sounds like a great idea.
That sounds like a great idea.
Could you say that again?
Could you say that again?
What do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
I don't quite understand.
I don't quite understand.
Can you be more specific?
Can you be more specific?
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
No way.
No way.
Are you serious?
Are you serious?
You've got to be kidding me.
You've got to be kidding me.
That's unbelievable.
That's unbelievable.
I wasn't expecting that.
I wasn't expecting that.
That's a bummer.
That's a bummer.
I was really hoping for a better outcome.
I was really hoping for a better outcome.
That didn't go as planned.
That didn't go as planned.
I feel let down.
I feel let down.
Better luck next time.
Better luck next time.
It's about time.
It's about time.
Time flies.
Time flies.
I'm running late.
I'm running late.
We're on a tight schedule.
We're on a tight schedule.
Let's not waste any time.
Let's not waste any time.
Why don't we try something new?
Why don't we try something new?
How about we go for a walk?
How about we go for a walk?
Let's grab a coffee?
Let's grab a coffee.
Maybe we should ask for help.
Maybe we should ask for help.
What do you think?
What do you think?
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
Looks like it's going to rain.
Looks like it's going to rain.
It's freezing outside.
It's freezing outside.
The weather is perfect today.
The weather is perfect today.
I love this cool breeze.
I love this cool breeze.
In my opinion.
In my opinion.
I strongly believe that.
I strongly believe that.
Personally, I think.
Personally, I think.
From my perspective.
From my perspective.
In my opinion.
In my opinion.
Keep up the good work.
Keep up the good work.
You're on the right track.
You're on the right track.
Don't let anything stop you.
Don't let anything stop you.
You're doing better than you think.
You're doing better than you think.
Just take it one step at a time.
Just take it one step at a time.